Welcome back to the English Podcast Zone. In this episode, you're going to listen to a natural small talk conversation between two strangers. This episode is perfect for beginners who want to understand real English flow in everyday situations. Try to relax and just follow the conversation. Hi, excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please, go ahead.
Thanks. It's pretty busy here today.
Yeah, it is. I didn't expect so many people.
Me neither. I had to wait a few minutes for a table.
Same here. I think everyone wanted coffee at the same time.
Seems like it. Do you come here often?
Sometimes, mostly on weekends. What about you?
This is my first time here.
Oh, really? What do you think so far?
I like it. The atmosphere is nice and calm.
Yeah, that's why I like this place too.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, I do. I live about 5 minutes away.
That's convenient.
It is. What about you? Are you from around here?
Not really. I moved here a few months ago.
Oh, nice. How do you like the city?
It's good so far. People are friendly.
That's true. It's a welcoming place.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax, read a book, or meet friends. How about you?
I like exploring new places and trying new cafes.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, it is. I enjoy discovering new spots. Well, it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Have a great day.
You too.
Now, let's review 5 useful expressions from this conversation. Expression 1. Is this seat taken? A polite way to speak to a stranger. Expression 2. Do you come here often? A common small talk question. Expression 3. I moved here a few months ago. Used when talking about relocation. Expression 4. From around here, meaning local to this area. Expression 5. Nice talking to you. A polite way to end a conversation. Listen again and focus on these simple sentence structures. This is how natural, beginner-friendly English sounds.